Rings may be symbolic of a wide array, but did you know that the specific fingers on which a ring is worn also portray different meanings? Let's find out and check. The pinky finger, having a ring on this finger, stands for self-love. The ring finger ring represents relationship status. This is where your wedding band goes. The middle finger ring represents balance and stability. The index or pointer finger ring represents leadership, authority, ambition, and self-esteem. The thumb ring represents independence. It is a reminder to stand up for what we believe in and be fearless in decision making. How one wears a ring can speak volumes of their personality, preferences, and priorities. Knowing the significance of each finger may help you acquire more benefits from a ring of meaning and power. Stay confident, Ka Arjun!